These jumbo Crowfoot wrench sets from Klutch are just what you need to get the right leverage on hard-to-reach hoses, nuts, or bolts. One set includes 14 half-inch drive wrenches in SAE sizes from 1 1/16 inches to 2 inches. Another set includes 14 half-inch drive wrenches in metric sizes from 27 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Both sets are crafted from carbon steel for strength with a black finish that resists corrosion for durability, and each one fits neatly into a plastic blow-molded case. Get the job done fast and easy with Crowfoot wrench sets from Klutch.